welcome to Yes to Health. I'm Purva Singh and I'm a yoga instructor and I'm dietitian. Today I'm in front of you to talk about certain techniques which I have used in my life. You can also use it to overcome stress, anxiety. Certain breathing techniques are there. So I know that we all go through some or other time, we all go through the stress, anxiety, tension in our life. So much of stress is there. Nobody is saved from it. Nobody can say that I'm stress free all my life. So there are certain techniques when I've been through stress and anxiety, panic. I use those techniques to bring about peace and calm in my mind. I'm sharing it with you, which I have learned during my yoga teacher training course, and I'm sharing it with you. Hope this will be of useful to you. The first is how breathing affects you. If it is very technical, it is very scientific. When you inhale and exhale are same. Suppose you are breathing, inhale with a count of 4, exhale with a count of 4. So your breathing is balanced. So you'll have a nice balanced focused mind. You'll have energy to work. This type of breathing we generally use while doing yoga practice. So during yoga practice, to have good energy, balanced and focus in our mind, we use equal count of inhale and exhale. So this is how we do it, like inhale 2, 3, 4, pause, exhale 2, 3, 4, inhale 2, 3, 4, pause, exhale 2, 3, 4. Now the second is increasing your exhale. So whenever you are under in a stress, your mind is hyper, too much of energy in your mind and too much of restlessness, mind is like a monkey mind, chattering all the time. So in order to calm your mind, we increase our exhale. So how you can do it? You inhale with a count of 4, pause, exhale with a count of 6. So let's see how we do it. Inhale 2, 3, 4, pause, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuously if you do it, if you keep increasing your exhale, and maybe you can double your exhale with inhale, so your stress will reduce and you will have a peace and calm mind, peaceful and calm mind. Now the third is increasing your inhale. When you are feeling very dull, like you have a tamasic mind, you are feeling very dull, you don't want to do anything, you just want to sit, and that time having low energy, that time you can increase your inhale. So how will you do it? You will inhale, suppose you inhale with a count of 6 and exhale with a count of 4. So decrease your exhale, increase your inhale, so you will have nice energy. See, these are the very simple techniques, but how effective they are, and these are so scientific. And you all can, control your mind. Who says we cannot control our mind? We can control our mind if we have control over our breath. And start this practice for at least 5 minutes every day and see how it affects you. Just sitting somewhere and just try to, focus on your breathing for at least 5 minutes. And this will change your life so much. It will have a nice control over your mind, and when you have a control over your mind, your thought pattern changes. You can change your thought patterns from negative to positive. So many positive things happens with you. You attract positivity from the universe, because see, sometimes we have negative thoughts in our mind, we are not able to control it. So when you focus on your breathing, you can change that thought pattern. So implement these breathing techniques in your life. Breathing is very important, and breath is the most important thing. It controls our mind and it controls our energy. So just use this breath to control, to have a nice good balance in your mind and good health. So do it And if you practice it, just try this and then please comment and share with me how it affected you, and keep practicing it. I'm sure it's going to affect your life the way it has affected mine. I never share anything which I have not implemented in my life. All my diet plans, all my yoga therapy, my breathing practice, everything which I have done on myself, only I recommend for other. So it is not just theoretical, I've really been tried and tested. So do this, try this, and then come back and please share with me and share this video with you, so that more and more people can take advantage from this breathing techniques. So stay healthy, take care of yourself. Namaste.